So JD College of Engineering and Management and JD Polytechnic, so near Hanuman Mandir and Nagpur. So applications are invited for eligible candidates for the following posts: department and corresponding their qualifications as well as their specializations. So in civil department, so qualifications: applied mechanics, transportation, water resource engineering. For the department of CSC or IT, web-based application development with PHP, CSE, artificial intelligence. In electrical department, qualification: basic electrical engineering, power systems and power electronics, ETC, embedded system and power electronics. For MBA, operational management and cost accounting, chemistry, MSc in first class and or NET or SET. Okay. For engineering, MA, PhD and or NET or SET. Aptitude and soft skill trainer, UG, PG with relevant experience, wellness, PG, diploma in counseling. So conditions: educational qualifications, experience, pay scale, etc. applicable for the post are as per the norms specified by AICTE or Government of Maharashtra. The CV giving full particulars should be sent latest by 5 p.m. on 18/6/2021 at careers@jdcoem.ac.in. Post applied for should be mentioned in the subject line of the email. Minimum qualification for engineering college MTech, and for polytechnic college it will be BTech. Copy of attested copy, 2 photographs, Aadhaar and PAN card with original documents will be required at the time of interview. Okay, so you have to send that CV in this email ID in within 18 June 2021 latest by 5 p.m. Now coming to non-teaching staff. So this is basically for the teaching staff, this is non-teaching staff, and this is walk-in interview. Okay, so they posted that advertisement in 14/6/2021. Okay, so non-teaching staff in case, so today is 12, so that walk-in interview in 14/6/2021. Okay, so today is 12 June 2021, so after one day. So designation: marketing staff or management manager. Qualification: BE or postgraduate or MBA with minimum 3 to 4 experience, and they also provide time when the interview will be happened, that 10:30 a.m. And designation: marketing officers, ERP assistant. Here you can see that qualifications: purchase officer, graduate with relevant experiences, clerk, graphic designer, assistant manager, accountant, project manager, data analyst and telecaller. Okay, so and that qualification: graduate plus good communication skill, and timing is 1 p.m. So basically this non-teaching staff is basically walk-in interview that will be held on 14 June 2021, and for that applications, you have to for that post you have to send your CV within 18 June 2021 latest by 5 p.m. Okay, thank you.